How to use align in AutoCAD. Select, or first make the shortcut is AL, then press on space. I want to align this one to be like this one. Select it, then press on space, select all the lines, then press on space, then select the first point with this point and this point with this point. Then press on space or enter, then press on yes. And here it is. Again, select all of them, AL, then press on space. Then let's make this one with this one and this one with this one. Then press on space, then press on yes. And here it is. All the same. Let's make this one. Select all of them. Then the shortcut is AL. Then press on space. Then this point with this point and this point with this point. Then press on space, then press on yes. And here it is. You can move it and it will be like the same as this one.